What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if voicemail notifications won't go away on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then drag down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will help you to fix the voicemail notifications issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the phone app, then tap on the information icon and then go to its storage. Now from here, clear the cache memory of the phone app. So to clear it, tap on clear data, then select clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the voicemail notifications issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings, tap on more connectivity options and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, and then tap on reset. And after entering your PIN, password or pattern, it will reset the network settings, and after resetting the network settings, the voicemail notifications issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix voicemail notifications won't go away on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.